Hello, and welcome to this week's Tween STEM project. This week, we are going to be making a dinosaur egg, which then you can dissolve to get out your dinosaur to hatch your egg. You can pick up your kit at the library starting on Friday, September 10th, while supplies last. In your kit, you should have everything that you need. Let's go ahead and get started. In your kit, you should have a couple little dinosaur friends. These are who you'll be making the egg for. You should also have a pipette, and then baking soda and vinegar, which will be in slightly different containers when it's in your bag. So first, something you'll need from home is a container to catch the mess from the baking soda and also while we're putting it all together. So I'm just going to use this tray here. You can use a bowl, whatever works for you. My baking soda is in here, so you're going to use about 1 cup of baking soda. This will already be measured out for you in your kit. So I need to get mine ready. Got about 1 cup there. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in my tray. Be careful with baking soda because it can be messy. So to balance out our 1 cup of baking soda, we're going to add in, can you see it there? There we go, we'll get it to focus on it. Then we're going to add in 1/4 of a cup of water. So I'm just going to come over to my sink, fill up some water, and then I'm going to slowly add it to my baking soda, and then take my hands and mix it together. This is the part where if you like slime or like getting messy, you'll like this. Alright, so I think mine, because it wasn't all the way full, ended up being a bit too much water, so I better add some more baking soda. And this is just normal baking soda, so if you have some at home that you want to use, then you can make the proportion be the texture that you want. Alright, that feels a little bit better, because you want it to be soft, but you also want it to clump up. Can you kind of see that texture? That's what we're looking for. Alright, can you see how that texture is? That's like a little crumbly. Alright, so now we will prepare our egg. So take one of your dinosaur friends, and then you're going to put him in the mixture, kind of mush it around him. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, because you want to make sure that your dino is all good in the egg. Alright, there is my dino egg. So I'll put him in my corner, and I'll make my other one. And there is my other dinosaur egg. Now that you have your eggs, you're going to want to let them dry. So this tends to take a few hours. It probably would be best if they dried overnight before you did the next part of the experiment, which is hatching them. So, you know, I just made mine, so they are not totally dry yet. But when they are dry, that's where your vinegar comes in. So you're going to take your vinegar. Yours will come in a cup. Your vinegar will come in a cup like this. It looks like water, but as soon as you open it, you'll smell it's vinegar. And you will take your pipette. You will squeeze the top to pull out some of the vinegar and then drop it over your eggs to dissolve or hatch your dinosaur eggs. So my dinosaur eggs aren't quite dry since I just made them, but we'll see if they'll go ahead and dissolve. So you'll, again, take your pipette. I already poured my vinegar in a bowl, so I'll take some out. You can see how it's full. Let's see how it goes. I think I see a leg. Ooh, we're getting the tail. Ooh. Our dinosaur is almost hatched. We gotta get his head. Oh, he's coming. There he is. All right, that one's about all hatched, so let's see if we can get our second one to hatch. Oh, I see two legs. And I think we made this one's egg a little thicker. What do you think? Oh, there's a third foot. Come on, little baby dinosaur. Oh, we got the tail. We're almost there, everybody. Just need to hatch his head. Can you see him? There he is. I'll do the last of my bowl here. All right, so yours might look a little bit different if you let it dry. So here are our little hatched dinosaurs, all fresh from their eggs. Thanks for watching this week's Tween STEM video on how to make dinosaur eggs. I can't wait to see and hear how yours went. Have fun creating your eggs with your dinosaurs and then hatching them through the dissolving with vinegar. It's a messy but super fun project. The reason why we're going to do some dinosaur themed programs coming up is because we currently have a Dinosaurs and Natural History exhibit at the library, courtesy of Dr. Henkla. So please come by and check out all of our dinos and enjoy your dinosaur theme programs for this month. We'll have another Tween STEM in October. Tween DIY will be in just a couple weeks. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.